start it? Okay. Hi, it's Amy from Roneys. I'm over here at our new project. I have not seen it but one time, and that was when the people lived in it. Was all decorated. So I'm going to kind of do a walkthrough of before. So I have a video of what it looked like before, and then we'll kind of see what we do and change along the way and see our project as it comes along. Follow me. Watch out for the mud, y'all. We don't want our camera person bogging down. Okay, I have Patty with me. Let me help her at first. I think okay. Maybe do this. This is my sister-in-law, Patty. Hi. Maggie's behind the camera. I'll try to get her in a little bit, but y'all all know Maggie. Patty. Okay. Now, let's. Hey, Maggie. It's okay. We got to clean anyway. This is the living room.
Yeah, I've been in here multiple times.
Yes. It's got flooring. We might have to fix a little bit along the way. I forgot about that big bar. The kitchen. Ooh. It's got, see, I didn't remember all this. It's so odd when you walk in something, you don't know what it looks like. And the back door. We got woods back there. Laundry room. We have no power. And this is a soft spot in the laundry room right about right here. The Brian's got to fix. The front door has one. So that's a Brian project. This is a pretty floor. It's brown. I assume this is a closet. Sorry, no light. Master bathroom. It's a nice shower head. It's a big one. And I've been to the gym, so I look terrible. Hello, Maggie.
Me too.
Yeah, she was eating pizza on the way. That was so not fair. Okay, let's go to the other end of the mobile home. There should be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom back there. The most important things in life aren't things. Very true. Middle of bedroom. This should be a closet. And I so cannot see this. Maggie, you got your phone with you, so you might just show a little bit of light on the master bath. I meant the guest bath. Oh, Maggie's got light. She's prepared. Okay, so here we are. Bathroom. And then this should be the end. That floor is just so pretty and dark. I like dark colored wood. And then there's the closet. And that's the end. We got work to do out there too. Lots of it. Okay. Let's go back to the living room. So this is kind of overall. That's all for our walkthrough on our new project. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching from Roneys.